एक्सरसाइज 1.3 एंड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सरसाइज है, इजी भी है, आपको समझ में आएगा। कोई डाउट रहेगा तो आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज इफ a इज इक्वल टू विद इन कर्ली ब्रैकेट 3 5 7 9 11 12 means a is a set where the elements are like that 3 5 7 9 11 and 12. Determine the truth values of each of the following means using this set means suppose A is nothing but this set and using this set we have to answer all these question. So suppose question number 1 is see first of all we have to understand two symbol. Number 1 there exist means इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि कोई एक एटलीस्ट आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो एटलीस्ट वन बिलोंग करना चाहिए। ओके सो सपोज एंड देयर इज वन मोर सिंबल फॉर ऑल सब के सब होना चाहिए लाइक टू डिफरेंट देयर एग्जिस्ट एटलीस्ट वन फॉर ऑल means all should be belong to the given condition. Okay, so question number 1 is there exists x belong to a, this symbol is nothing but belong to a such that x minus 8 is equal to 1, x minus 8 equal to 1 where x is belong to a. So if you solve this, x will be nothing but 1 plus 8 and this will be 9. So if you look at this 9 belong to a, it is true, right? 9 a में है, a के set में 9 belong कर रहा है. So we can say that yes, it is true, it is true means this given condition is true. Therefore, the truth value is t. Truth value is t. So the truth value of this question number 1 is t. Now question number 2, for all x belong to a, x square plus x is even number, is an even number means जितने भी x a से belong कर रहे हैं जितने भी elements उनमें x की वैल्यू ये पुट अप किया जाए लाइक सपोज वी आर पुटिंग दिस 3, फर्स्ट वैल्यू पुट अप करते हैं 3 square plus 3, so this will be 9 plus 3 which is 12 and 12 is nothing but even number, 12 is even number. So they are asking that is it true for all the question all the elements. So yes, it will be true. Suppose 5 square 25, 25 plus 5 30, 7 square 49, 49 plus 7 56, 9 square 81, 81 plus 9 90, 11 square 121 plus then 11 132, and then 12 square 144 plus 144 plus 12, that will be around 156. So all are even number, so means this is true for all the uh, elements. So we can say that it is true. Truth value is it is true, and truth value is t, right? So this for this condition also truth value is t. This symbol is for all. Okay, और हमने देखा सब के लिए like all the elements के लिए ये condition right है. So yes, we can say that for all this is true. Okay, so question number 3, there exists x belong to a such that x square is less than 0 means they are asking that is there any element when we put x equal to x square, then is it true that for any element x square is less than 0? And it is very easy. See, x square means square of any element will never less than 0. Suppose we are taking in a negative element, that will be also greater than 0. So it is 8 is false. Truth value is f. Truth value is f. Okay. For question number 3, truth value is f. Now for question number 4, for all x belong to A, x is an even number. For all x belong to A, so if you see 3, 5, 9, 11, they all are belong to A, but they are not even number, they are odd number. So it is false. Yes, it is also false. Truth value is f. It is false statement and truth value is f, because all are not even number and they are asking for all. So that's why it is false. Now question number 5. There exists x belong to A such that 3x plus 8 less greater than 40. So 3x plus 8 greater than 40. So let's see 3x and this 8 will go to there. So 40 minus 8. So 3x greater than 32. So x will be greater than 32 divided by 3. And 32 divided by 3 means it is around 10.06 something. And if you see 10.06, x is greater than around 10 points. So if you take x is equal to 11, 12, which is from set A. So yes, 11 and 12 both are greater than 10.06. So we can say that this condition is true because they are asking there exist. There exist means at least one or two elements should follow this condition, and yes, they are following. So that's why it is true and truth value is t. So it is true. It is. It is. It is true. Wait, huh? It is true and truth value is t. It is true and truth value is t. Right? Now question number 6. Question number 6. For all x belong to A, 2x plus 9 should be greater than 14. And they are asking for all. So let's check. 2x greater than 14 minus 9. So 2x greater than that will be 5. So x greater than 5 by 2 means 2.5. So 2.5 and all are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. All elements belong to x. They all are greater than 2.5. So yes, it is true. If you see 3 is greater than 5, 3 is greater than 2.5, 5 is greater than 2.5, up to 12. So yes, it is true and truth value is t. So it is true and truth value is t. Now question number 2, it is very easy. Write the duals of the each of the following. Actually duals means negation, like opposite of the operators or connectives. Very easy. Means if or is given, so just we have to write and. If and is given, just we have to write or. And for C we have to write T, means contradiction and tautology. So the duals of this combination will be P and Q or R. For this P or Q or R. just opposite. So P and Q or R and S, right? And we don't have to change the negation sign. So this is the rule. We will write just P or negation Q. For this, we should write negation P and Q or negation R और S, बिकॉज और का हमने यहाँ पे एंड लिखा, नेगेशन तो वैसे ही हो गया, एंड का हमने यहाँ पे और लिख दिया, जस्ट चेंज करना है, वेरी इजी. फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन वी कैन राइट नेगेशन P और नेगेशन Q और P एंड Q और नेगेशन R, राइट. नेगेशन P का हमने नेगेशन P लिखा, and then we can change or negation Q, then or P and Q, or Q का P and Q, and at last or negation R. Now question number 7, we can write negation P and Q, and then just close this bracket, or P and negation Q or negation S, right? Question number 8, we just have to change C into T. So T and P or Q and R. So this will be the negation. And for this ninth, negation P or Q or R or C. Okay. So this is the, I think, question number 9, and then this is question number 10 there. Let me separate this. This is question number 10 actually. Question number 10, we can write P and Q and T, right? So question number 2 is very easy. It can be asked for one question in examination. Now moving to the question number 3. Now question number 3, write the negation of the following. So negation means again it is like dual, but we have to write with all the statement. So for that let us change in symbolic way. So let us assume that P such that P is nothing but x plus 8 greater than 11, and Q is such that y minus 3 is equal to C. So if we change this in symbolic way, so this will be P or Q. See, there is a word or, so P or Q. Now negation of this P or Q. See, there is a rule of negation. Let me write down a rule of negation. A rule of negation. So the rule of negation is negation P or Q is equal to or equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q, negation P and Q. So if we break the bracket, so negation P or negation Q. negation P if and then Q. So P and negation Q. And negation P if and only if Q is P and negation Q or Q and negation P. So using that, we can write this equivalent to negation P and negation Q. So what will be the statement? Negation P. So negation P is nothing but negation of this statement x plus 8. So x plus 8 less than 11. This will be the statement, negative statement or negation of this statement. X plus 8 less than 11, and instead of writing or, we have to write and. Negation Q means y minus 3 is not equal to 6. So this will be the full negation of this question number 1. Okay. Now question number 2. 11 less than 15. So suppose P such that 11 less than 15, Q such that 25 greater than 20. So what is the statement? P and Q. So negation of this statement will be negation P or negation Q. So statement will be 11 greater than 15 and 25 less than 20. So this will be the negation. Question number 3. Quadrilateral is a square if and only if it is a rhombus. So suppose P is such that quadrilateral is square, and Q, it is a rhombus, means quadrilateral is rhombus. So what is the symbolic way? P if and only if Q, and negation of this is nothing but P and negation Q or Q and negation P. So let us write in symbol statement wise. So this will be quadrilateral is a square, quadrilateral is a square, and there is sign and, so and we can write but also, but it is not rhombus. It is not, because negation is there. And now there is sign or, so we can write or. Q means quadrilateral is rhombus, but it is not a square. So this will be the answer of question number 3, right? Now question number 4. It is cold and raining. So let's say, let's assume question number 4. P such that it is cold and Q such that it is raining. So the symbolic way will be P and Q. And now negation will be negation of P and Q. That will be negation P or R, negation R, right? P, negation P or negation R. So the statement will be negation P means it is not cold, it is not cold or not raining, right? Why not raining? Because there is also negation Q. So the final answer will be it is not cold or not raining. Question number 5. So question number 5 में आप देखो इसमें if it is raining then we will go and play football. So let us break with symbolic terms. So let P such that it is raining. हमने ये सपोज कर लिया कि जो P है वो रेन it is raining. इसमें एक्चुअल में 3 स्टेटमेंट्स है. देखो it is raining, we will go and play football. So we will go, suppose ये Q हो गया and R is we will play football. So basically the symbolic term will be P if and then Q and R. If and then see P if and then Q and R. So this is the basic symbolic term. Now negation of this will be, see what is the negation of P if and then Q is nothing but P and negation Q. So negation of P if and then Q and R will be, first term will be as it is P and negation Q and R. So if we will break, then P and this will be negation Q or negation R, right? So this is the term P and negation Q or negation R, right? P and negation Q and R, and this will be P and negation, this should be, wait, actually there should be negation, yes. So yes, as you can see, so statement will be, see it is raining, P is it is raining, and we will not go and not play, right? So this is the proper statement, P and negation Q or negation R. So it is raining and we will not go, or there is or, we will not play, right? Okay. Okay, now question number 6. 2 is rational number. So question number 6. 2 is rational number. So if suppose P is nothing but 2 is rational number, so negation of P will be 2 is not rational number. It is very easy. Negation of P will be 2 is not rational number. Similarly, question number 7. All natural number are whole number. So we can write some natural number are not whole number. Negation of this. Some natural number are not whole number. Question number 8. For all n belong to natural number, this is divisible by 4. So just say, see for all का negation होता है if and then there exist. So there exist n belong to n such that this is not divisible by 4. Negation. not divisible by 4, right? And last, again there exists का negation क्या आ जाएगा? For all, and x minus 17 is less than 20, that will be not greater than 20. Negation. Or even we can write that x minus 17 is greater than 20, right? Or it is also right, okay? Actually, this should be greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, negation of this, for all x belong to n, x minus 17 greater than or equal to 20. So this is the negation, okay? Question number 4 ka first question. Write converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statements. So basically, suppose करो एक basic statement है P to Q, P if and then Q. So converse is Q to P. Like just we have to change the order. Like the main statement is P to Q. Then we have to change it into Q to P, and that will be converse. And for inverse, we have to change. We have to just put the sign of negation both the side, negation P to negation Q, and last contrapositive, we have to change the arrangement or sequence, as well as we have to put the sign of negation. So negation Q to negation P. So using this, let P such that x less than y, Q such that x square less than y square. So what is the main statement? The statement is P if and then Q. So converse will be Q if and then P. So means this will be if x square less than y square, then x less than y. This will be the converse. Now inverse, negation P to negation Q. So negation P means, see, negation of less than is equal to greater than or equal to. Okay, always remember. And negation of greater than is equal to less than or equal to. This negation, okay? So this will be if uh, x is greater than or equal to y, then x square equal to greater than or equal to y square. And last, contrapositive. So this will be negation q to negation p, and that will be negation q means if x square greater than or equal to y square, then x is greater than or equal to y. So this will be the answer of question number 1. Okay. Now question number 2. A family becomes literate if women in it is literate. Actually यहाँ पे एक मैसेज भी दे दिया इन्होंने, बात भी सही है. किसी फैमिली में अगर वहाँ की वुमेन लिटरेट है, पढ़ी लिखी है, तो फैमिली भी एक्चुअल में पढ़ी लिखी है, अदरवाइज नहीं. So it is very true. Now coming to the point, converse, inverse and contrapositive. So let P is such that the woman in family is literate, and Q such that a family becomes literate. So converse will be Q to P. So what will be the Q to P? This will be the statement. If a family become literate, then a woman in it is literate, right? Just change the sequence. And in inverse, negation P to negation Q means if the family in the if the woman in the family is not literate, then the family does not become literate. And in contrapositive, change the sequence and negation. So if the family does not become literate, then the woman is in it is not literate. Means इसमें sequence भी change हो गया और negation भी लगा. Right? Question number 3. If surface area decreases, then pressure increases. So let P is such that surface area decreases, Q such that pressure increases. So what will be the basic statement? P to Q. So converse will be Q to P, Q to P. So the answer will be, if the pressure increases, then surface area decreases. Just reverse the order. And inverse negation P to negation Q. If the surface area does not decrease, then the pressure does not increase. Negation P to negation Q. And this one will be negation Q to negation P. So what will be the answer? If the pressure does not increase, then the surface area does not decrease. Very easy. Okay. Question number 4, last question. If voltage increases, then current decreases. So P such that voltage increases, Q such that current decreases. So Q to P, if current decreases, then voltage increases. This will be converse Q to P. Inverse negation P to negation Q. If voltage does not increase, the current does not decrease. Right? Contra positive negation Q to negation P. So if current does not decrease, then voltage does not increase. So converse Q to P, remember this always. Inverse negation P to negation Q, and contra positive negation Q to negation P. Okay. So that's all in this exercise.